Namaste. Welcome to WIIA. If you're looking for a very interesting career as an option, an aircraft engineer is a very exciting opportunity. It is very different from the conventional engineering courses as well as medical courses. AME is a 3-year niche program which is approved by DGCA, Government of India, and as we know that it is also very well recognized by International Civil Aviation Organization, and there are about 193 members in which India is also a governing member of it. AME basically deals with maintenance, repairs, quality assurance and upgrades of different components of the aircraft. And AME's job role is to ensure the safety of passenger and an aircraft. It is the only profession in which is approved by DGCA to certify the airworthiness of an aircraft. Aircraft maintenance engineering is a slightly different course. It has 4 different categories, mainly A, B1, B2 and C categories. We're mainly going to be focusing on B1.1, which is the aeroplane turbine category, and the B2 stream, which is the avionics. Let's talk about B1.1 category, wherein the students, they're going to be dealing with aeroplane structure, turbine engine, electrical and mechanical components of this subject. Who deals with teaching the simple tests related to avionics stream of increasing the serviceability but not the troubleshooting aspect. Now let's talk about the B2 category, which is the avionics stream. So students who opt for the B2 category would be studying all about the avionics system, which includes the electrical systems, radio, radar, and different instruments that are present in an aircraft. So, any student who opts for the avionics stream would be able to study all of these different components of an aircraft. When they say that sky is home, this could be your life as well. We are located in Ahmedabad, and this is a sprawling campus which is connected to the city and connected to nature as well. You can have a great life over here in education as well as your friends. We're now going to talk about a premier institute in India. Yes, you heard it absolutely correct. We are talking about WIIA, which is Western India Institute of Aeronautics Limited. And we are the only institute in India to have a Boeing 737-200 on our campus for live training. We provide courses which are Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, which is approved by DGCA, BSc Honours in Aircraft Maintenance, as well as Cabin Crew and Aviation Hospitality and Travel Management. We're very proud to say that we have been providing trained manpower to the aviation industry since 2004. And let's just say, sky is home for us. So why WIIA? We're going to list down a couple of reasons why you should choose WIIA. Number 1, the practical training that we have over here. We have multiple aircrafts for the students to try their hands-on training, like Learjet 24, which is fitted with a General Electrical CJ6106 rotor axial flow turbojet engine in working condition for the practical conditions of WII students. We also have a light aircraft which is CH2000, which is Zenith, and it is fitted with a piston engine with all the systems that are in working condition for the practical exposure of students and on-the-job training of WII students. And also, along with this, students get an opportunity to work in live working environments on operational aircrafts, wherein we have tie-ups with approved CAR 145 organizations. WII students also get a great opportunity to work on operational aircrafts in live working environments, wherein we send these students for training to approved CAR organizations. We have very high placement for both apprenticeship and jobs. WIIA has been able to send its students to various reputed international and national airlines. For example, SpiceJet, Taj Air, Deccan Aviation, Qatar Airways, Air India, and many more. As you can see, we have well in-house practical training facilities on our light and heavy aircraft. We also have well-equipped mechanical, avionics lab as well as engineering workshop. Experienced and highly adaptive and motivated faculty members are with us. We also have well-equipped library and computer lab with internet facilities. Transport facilities are also available. And separate hostels for boys and girls are also available. We have well-cooked hygienic food and comfortable environment in the hostel. We have separate administrative and academic wardens, air-conditioned classrooms and auditorium, and as well as ATM facilities on the campus itself. Now, when speaking about the scope in AME, there is a huge scope once you complete this course successfully. Aviation is an industry that does not have full stop mark. It's ever growing and evolving, and the demand is huge in India with high profit margins, as people love to travel domestically and internationally. While we have all witnessed the destruction that has been caused in pandemic in various sectors, but the aviation industry has not stopped from importing masks, medicines, and other necessary equipment, as well as bringing people back to India as the country is slowly unlocking itself, giving people the freedom to travel again. Therefore, the number of travelers are increasing at a faster rate, and so is the demand for AME. Thus, it is an excellent opportunity for people who want to take up the course of AME. There are a plethora of opportunities for students after completing the AME course. They can readily find jobs as aircraft mechanics in aircraft manufacturing and maintenance firms, and also in airlines. The qualified aircraft maintenance engineers can be recruited in the following industries: airlines, maintenance, repairs and organizations, operations organizations, civil defense services, and the following are the companies that are the top recruiters for aircraft maintenance engineers: Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Air India, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, Defense Research and Development Organization, which is DRDO, ISRO, Indian Air Force, Indigo, Vistara, Go Air, SpiceJet, Air Asia, and many more. As the demand for AMEs is very high and the supply is limited, AME job salary is very high in India. It is one of the most highly paid professionals. At the time of the training period, one can expect a salary of about 70,000 per month after getting a license. You can also expect a pay scale of around 50 to 70 lakhs per annum depending on your experience and licenses and certifications on different aircrafts. The job of an AME holds utmost respect and dignity as it requires high level of dexterity and experience. AMEs act as the backbone of an aircraft.